Throughout industry, we've come across an awful lot of issues for lifting inspection covers, drain covers, and the keys that are currently being used. With this design here, we feel it solves all the major issues. Let's have a look at them. One of the first ones is the key actually coming out of the cover when it's being lifted. Now that can happen for many reasons. One, the actual cover, the hole, is worn. Two, they're using the wrong key. They couldn't be bothered to go back to the van to get the right one. It happens. Or three, it moves while it's being lifted, and that's resulted in lots of injuries. With this one here, it's got a locking mechanism. What happens is, get the key in and turn it. Now, there's a little plate here, a split washer, that can go in there and it can lock into place. That's it, locked in. What happens now is, that ain't coming out. Even if the hole's worn, it's locked into place. Even if you've got an uneven surface on the top of the cover, it's not coming away. That makes it level, gives you a good bite. And even if it's in the middle of these four raised sections, that washer will cover them. So that is a complete bite there. Secondly, split covers. A lot of issues. Let's go and have a look at that. The issue here is because it's split but linked, as you start to lift that out, it kinks like that. Now as it kinks, the sides jam against the sides here and you're pulling on a huge resistance. That's an issue. This plate here, straight across the top there, you actually get the key in, there, turn it, nip that into there, the key on the other side, nipped in, that now jams the cover as one, comes out straight, no kinking, and it's as sweet as a nut, straight out. Also, if it's worn, it doesn't matter because that is jammed and that is locked in. Cracking. Now, from a manual handling perspective, existing keys are set and therefore set at a height, but we aren't, we're different heights. And what we need to do is lift at our optimum height. This allows that. It's three sets, three adjustable heights. So if I want to take that out there, there's a little locator strip there, to the other hole there, boom. Same key, different height. Let's actually have a look at lifting with one of these keys. Gary? This is actually quite a good drain cover, so we're not going to need to put the plate in, although you could if you wanted to. You locked in there, mate? Good. Okay, so we'll take it this side, Gary, eh? Ready, and lift to the side, and down, and lift, and across, and one more, and then we're clear. Taking it back, Gary. Ready, lift, and lift, and one more, and set it in. Lovely. You can see how, look, it's the same key, but he's lifting at his optimum height and I am mine because the action is just from there to there. But if Gary had to use this key, he's going to be all the way down, a tendency to want to bend it back. That's too high for me. Both perfect technique, same key. Thanks a lot, Gary. Cheers. Another advantage is the ends. These three here fit most covers, but if there's anything extra or something bespoke, then it's very easily manufactured. And if that gets damaged, all you have to replace or order is that, not the whole thing. So, what have we got? We've got a locking mechanism which makes sure it's fixed to the cover, it isn't going to pull out. It's adjustable heights, so everybody can lift from their optimum height, promoting correct technique. And on that score, it also keeps the cover horizontal, because when it's tipped, they can slide out. Split covers, fixed, one cover, straight out. And the different ends interchangeable. And it all comes as one kit in a box, so you just pick one little box up, take the side, it's always there. Less chance of losing them. The key, the solution,